together to celebrate all the rich experiences of life. Charles and Gail, marriage is one of the most important obligations that any two people commit to in their lifetime. Marriage offers great challenges, but in return, marriage gives love and strength and support from one another. It is the couple who perseveres and demonstrates unrelenting patience and faith who obtains the highest form of happiness within their marriage. When two people pledge to love and care for each other in marriage, they create a spirit unique unto themselves, which binds them closer than any spoken or written word. Marriage is a promise, a potential made in the hearts of two people. A loving relationship is the unconditional acceptance of each person, helping to grow as individuals and encouraging that growth in each other. Each sees each other as a friend who can be trusted, depended upon, and enjoyed. Marriage is the ultimate friendship, which is based in love. Now, Gail and Charles, if you will face each other. Gail, will you take